You're just standing. So I'm gonna do it now. So I can eat. I'm only eating two because we're going out of town. You know what I'm saying? Gang,
We're going to New York to see DK4L tour.
Their tour is over.
We're going to see their tour.
Ah, like you said. If you ever drink something, they out. Stop being a creep. Stop coming to fight. No.
Oh, hey, I didn't see that. Go follow my channel. The real thing.
This is already the real game. What you talking about?
This is gonna be on her born channel.
My
Why does Freaky look like this, bro? Get your nasty old hair out the.
Stop! Do I look good while I'm bald, y'all? Nope. Let's see.
Does it look like your daddy? Yes, the hair looks like this challenge.
I already ate.
She drinking some juice, y'all. She a loser.
Well, I'm about to. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to.
Girl, you better record back. You know you ain't to get my computer wet. Better get out that chair right now and remove the back and drink.
Cause I'm not.
She's drunk something.
I'm not taking no L's.
All she takes is L's. Her
See, look, is my lips juicy or wet?
Listen, you only have 2 minutes left.
So, this is my last time now, and I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win this challenge. I always take these L's. I always take these. No L's. No, baby, no. Get out. This is the last time.
It's gonna get cold up in here.
Cool that down.
God, you living in our penthouse. We live where Jesse lives. So give that one.
No, we do not live where Jesse lives. This is a penthouse, you know what I'm saying?
God, sit your oh my gosh, she just took a massive L to the camera. Stop doing that. Look, she got punched in the face by her daddy.
Right.
Look. She got punched in the face by her daddy for talking back. He was like, boom! And the world got punched in her booty hurt.
Black. Stop!
Okay, guys, so
that is all. And I took the W.
She dropped some juice.
No, I did not.
Girl, don't thank you. Girl, stop.
Stop.
Okay, y'all my chair. Thank you, Booty. Yeah, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this some called channel. And don't forget to like it. Girl, stop. And if you want to go follow my channel, it's be down in the description every night. So,